Hi everybody, it's Usernamekate and welcome back to the channel. I am excited because today we are doing our first modification to the Suzuki GSX-8R long-termer. We're whipping this ugly little thing off and we're putting on a nice, sexy, full system in its place. So if you want to see what exhaust I've gone for, what it looks like to install it, and most importantly, what it sounds like, then keep watching. First things first, we needed to remove the fairings so Mike could actually get to the exhaust. Once the silver fairings were off, we took off the black inner plastic fairing too. That's the one that supports the main outer piece. Now, technically for this bit, you don't have to remove the radiator. In Scorpion's official fitting video, it stays on. But Mike doesn't exactly have the world's smallest hands, so he decided to take it off for a bit more space and to make life easier. If you don't fancy doing that, don't worry, it's not essential. With all that out the way, we finally had a clear view of the stock exhaust system. Mike got to work unbolting everything, and at last that big bread box looking cat is gone. So satisfying. Next up, fitting the headers. You eagle-eyed lot might notice a wardrobe change here. That's because we had to wait for the new crush gaskets to arrive before we could finish the job. I'll pop the Suzuki part number on the screen now. You'll need 2 of them, and they're both the same. The headers themselves, however, are numbered though, because they're slightly different, so just make sure you fit the right one in the right spot. Straight away, the new headers just look so much better. It's a bit of a shame they'll be hidden behind the fairings, to be honest. Once the 2 headers were fitted, we moved on to the 2-into-1 link pipe and then the main link pipe that all just slots in nicely. After that, it was time to reconnect the lambda sensors. I had my ears covered for that, I was ready. Mike fired it up quickly just to check for back pressure, all good, and then we moved on to fitting the end can and tightening everything up. Finally, radiator and fairings went back on, And just like that, we've got a full Scorpion stainless steel performance system installed. The claimed benefits of this full system are now up on the screen, but let's stop talking and let's actually hear it. This is the exciting bit. Sorry neighbours,